Hello everyone, it's Lola here, and I am going to show you how to find and fill out the population and prerequisite waiver. First, you are going to go to berklee.edu and sign in with your Berklee OnePass credentials. In the search bar, you're going to type in forms, and then click on the first result. Scroll down a bit, and then you will click on For Boston Conservatory at Berklee Students, that is on the sidebar. Click Forms in the drop-down menu. I personally recommend that you bookmark and familiarize yourself with the forms on this page, as you may need them later. Continuing on, you will scroll down until you find Request a Population and/or Prerequisite Waiver, and then click on the link. Please note that this form is only to be used by Boston Conservatory at Berklee students. This form can only be filled out during the add drop period. If you are a Berklee College of Music student, please directly contact the department head. This form is not to be used for liberal arts courses or for cross-registration. For an in-depth tutorial on how to find and fill out the cross-registration form, please watch our YouTube video linked down below. To fill out the form, you will need to put in your first and last name, student ID number, and Berklee email address. You must verify that you are a Boston Conservatory at Berklee student and then put in the course and section number of the class you are interested in. If you're not sure of what the course and section number are, they are listed on self-service. From here, you can specify if this is a prerequisite waiver, a population waiver, or both. Select the appropriate course chair and then add any additional notes. Once you submit, you will receive a confirmation email. Once you have received a confirmation email, you will have to wait 3 to 5 days for a decision to be made. There are no other actions that you need to take during this time. If your waiver is approved, the class will automatically be added to your schedule. If the decision is denied, you will have to find another class. I hope this makes your registration process a little bit easier. Thanks for watching!